we're trying to figure out if this area is equal to this area. So let's look at clue 1. Okay, so let's take the square root of both sides, and that will give me AC equals the square root of 2 AD. We just took the square root of both sides. And we didn't worry about plus or minus because these are distances. We're only worried about the plus case. So let me see. If I solve for AD, that means AC over square root 2 equals AD. I'm going to call, instead of writing out AC, I'm just going to call that distance X. So that would be X over square root 2 would be AD. So X over square root 2. Now, I got too many X's in here. Let me erase this since we know what we're trying to find. Well, of course, area is 1/2 base times height. So we know the height of this triangle is X, and the height of this triangle here is X over square root 2, and that just tells me that AD, that side is smaller than AC, but I don't know anything at all about these other ones, about anything else, these other legs. So clue 1 doesn't help me. Now clue 2 says what? ABC is isosceles. So that means that, ignore clue 1, okay, even though I've got stuff written on my triangle. That would just mean that this side equals this side. But that doesn't help me because I don't know anything at all about AD or DB. Now, I would know that's not going to help me. So let's put both of them together. So if I put both of them together, this side would be X as well. I could find this hypotenuse by the Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus X squared equals C squared. So 2x squared equals c squared. That would mean that square root of 2 times x would be c. So this is square root of 2 times x. Now let's look at the area of triangle ABC. Area equals 1/2 base, and the base is x, and the height is x. So that area is 1/2 x squared. And now let's look at the area of ADB. So that area would be 1/2, what's the base? Square root of 2 times x times the height, which is x over square root 2. These square root 2's cancel. I'm left with area equals 1/2 x squared. So the two are equal. So it took clue 1 and clue 2 to get the answer. So the answer is C.